This is homemade hung curd, or you can say thick strained yogurt. If you're someone who love making homemade paneer or even strained yogurts or hung curd, this is your new best friend. This is a filter which is designed to make homemade thick strained yogurts and also paneer, or even you can make cheese using this strain. Let me show you how you can make homemade strained yogurt with just following simple two steps. So after 48 hours, this is the condition of curd. Almost इतना सारा इसमें से पानी निकला हुआ है. So this liquid is actually a whey, and this is the condition of hung curd, and absolutely creamy. Hung curd, or we can say strained yogurt. Simple, easy, and clean. And the best part is you can find this filter easily on Amazon at just 300 rupees. You can find the link in my bio.